Hello everyone, my name is Pooja Barman. I'm nursing tutor from Index Nursing College. Today is my topic myocardial infarction. So let's we start. Myocardial infarction. MI is defined as a disease condition which is caused by reduced about flow in a coronary artery due to atherosclerosis and occlusion of an artery by an embolus of thrombus. MI heart attack is the reversible damage of the myocardial tissue caused by prolonged ischemia and hypoxia. MI को हार्ट अटैक भी कहते हैं। अचानक कोरोनरी आर्टरी के ब्रांच के बंद होने से हार्ट मसल्स में O2 व ब्लड की सप्लाई रुक जाने के कारण मायोकार्डियल इन्फार्क्शन होता है। एमआई के कारण पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे अधिक डेथ होती है। एमआई की सबसे कॉमन साइट लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल की एंटीरियर वॉल होती है। एमआई के 2 से 3 महीने के बाद नेक्रोटिक एरिया में स्कार टिश्यू डेवलप होने के कारण वेंट्रिकल की साइज और शेप में परमानेंट चेंजेस आ जाता है। मायोकार्डियल infarction, commonly called a heart attack, is an extremely dangerous condition caused by a lack of blood flow to your heart muscles. The lack of blood flow can occur because of many different factors, but is usually related to a blockage in one or more of your heart arteries. Without blood flow, the affected heart muscles will begin to die. In blood flow is not restored quickly, a heart attack can cause permanent heart damage and death. A heart attack is a life-threatening emergency. If you support you or someone you are with is having a heart attack, do not hesitate to call 900 or your local emergency service phone number. Time is critical in treating a heart attack, and a delay of even a few minutes can result in permanent heart damage or death. Definition: it is defined as the death of a segment of heart muscles as a result of sustained ischemia. सडनली कोरोनरी आर्टरी के किसी ब्रांच के बंद होने से हार्ट मसल्स में ऑक्सीजन वाले ब्लड की सप्लाई रुक जाने के कारण मायोकार्डियल मसल्स का नेक्रोसिस होना एमआई कहलाता है। Etiological factor of myocardial infarction: acute coronary thrombosis, arteriosclerosis. Other factors: infectious disease, hypoxia, smoking, excessive fat intake, excessive exercise. Coronary heart disease, smoking, hypertension, obesity, सेडेंट्री लाइफ स्टाइल, स्ट्रेस, ये सारे इसके इटियोलॉजिकल फैक्टर हैं। कॉजेस ऑफ मायोकार्डियल इन्फार्क्शन: कोरोनरी म्यूरल थिकनिंग विथ मेटाबॉलिक डिसीज, अमाइलोडोसिस, कोरोनरी फाइब्रोसिस, मायोकार्डियल ऑक्सीजन डिमांड सप्लाई डिसप्रोपोर्शन, aortic stenosis, CO poisoning, hematological DX, miscellaneous occasion abuse. Causes of myocardial infarction: first, coronary atherosclerosis, the most common, coronary artery spasm, coronary embolism, dissection into coronary artery, congenital anomalies of coronary circulation, coronary trauma, myocardial condition, iatrogenic. Clinical manifestations: chest pain, chest discomfort, dyspnea, fatigue. Other symptoms include increased sweating, weakness, nausea, vomiting, lightheadedness, palpitations, anxiety, sleeplessness, hypertension or hypotension, arrhythmias. Chest pain is less in women. Their common symptoms are weakness, fatigue and dysphagia. चेस्ट पेन होगा, चेस्ट डिस्कम्फर्ट होगा, थकावट फील होगी, स्वेटिंग की मात्रा ज़्यादा होगी, कमजोरी होगी, नोज़िया होगा, वॉमिटिंग होगी. वुमन में चेस्ट पेन कम होगा. दियर कॉमन सिम्टम्स आर वीकनेस, फटीग एंड dyspnea. Sign and symptoms. Chest pain, most common symptoms. Describes a nausea and vomiting, shortness of breath, palpitation, loss of consciousness, sudden death. Classification of MI. The two main types of acute myocardial infarction based on pathology are pathophysiology principle. A substantial amount of myocardial tissue can be salvaged in flow, is restored within 6 hours after the onset of coronary occlusion. The cellular changes associated with MI and MI can be followed by the development of infarction, extensive new myocardial necrosis, infarct expansion, ventricular remodeling. Size of infarction. Several factors determine the size of resulting MI. These factors include the extent, severity, and duration of the ischemic episode, the size of the vessels, the amount of collateral circulation. Because the heart function as a squeezing pump, systolic and diastolic effort can be significantly related when a segment of the heart muscles is necrotic and non-functional. If the area of the transmural infarction is small, the necrosis wall may be a term meaning difficult in moving. If the damage to the myocardial tissue is more extensive, the myocardial muscles may become kinase meaning without motion. See in this structure. Location of the infarction can be located, MI can be located in the anterior septal, lateral, posterior or infarct wall of the left ventricular. Assessment. History. Patient with MI describe a heaviness, squeezing, choking or smoothing sensation. Patient often describe the sensation as someone sitting on my chest. The history. Patient with MI describe a heaviness, choking or smoothing sensation. Patient often describe the sensation as someone sitting on my chest. The substernal pain can radiate to the neck, left arm, back or jaw. Unlike the pain of angina, the pain of an MI is often more prolonged and unrevealed by rest or sublingual introglycerin. Associated findings on history includes nausea and vomiting, especially for the patient with an infarct wall MI. These gastrointestinal complaints are believed to be related to the severity of the pain and the resulting vagal stimulation. Physical examination. Patient usually appear restless and in distress. The skin is warm and moist. Next, breathing may be labored and rapid. Fine crackles, coarse crackle or raunchy may be heard when unsculpting the lungs. An increased blood pressure related to anxiety or a decreased blood pressure caused by heart failure. The heart rate may vary from bradycardia to tachycardia. When the patient is placed in the left lateral decubits position, abnormalities of the precordial pulsation can be left. These abnormalities include a lack of a point of maximal impulse or the pressure of diffuse contraction. On auscultation, the first heart sound may be diminished as a result of decrease. A fourth heart sound is heard is almost all patients with MI, whereas a third heart sound is detected in only without 10 to 20% of patients. Transient systolic murmur may be heard. After about 48 to 70 hours, many patients required a pericardial friction hub. Patient with right ventricular infarct may present with jugular vein distension, peripheral edema, and an elevated central venous pressure. Pathophysiology of MI. Atherosclerosis, then obstruction. Second, arterial spasm, then atherosclerosis plus plaque split plus thrombosis. ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन होगा, देन सडन आर्टिलरी स्पाज्म की वजह से सडन रिवर्सिबल होगा, सडन रिवर्सिबल ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन, देन इस्चीमिया, देन हाइपोक्सिया, रिड्यूस ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई, देन कोरोनरी थ्रोम्बोसिया, देन नेक्रोसिस. मायोकार्डियल इन्फाक्शन डायग्नोस्टिक इवोल्यूशन. इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राफ ईसीजी करवाएंगे, ब्लड टेस्ट कार्डियक एंजाइम्स करवाएंगे, इकोकार्डियोग्राम ईसीजी करवाएंगे, न्यूक्लियर स्कैन करवाएंगे, चेस्ट रेडियोग्राफ्स करवाएंगे, कोरोनरी एंजियोग्राफी करवाएंगे, एक्सरसाइज स्ट्रेस टेस्ट करवाएंगे, कार्डियक कंप्यूटराइज्ड टोमोग्राफी सीटी और एमआरआई करवाएंगे. ये सारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन मायोकार्डियल केस में करवाएंगे. अर्ली मैनेजमेंट. द पेशेंट हिस्ट्री एंड 12 लीड ECG आर द प्राइमरी मेथड्स यूज्ड टू determine initially the diagnosis of MI. The ECG is examined for the presence of CT segment elevations of MI of 1 MV or greater in congenious leads. First, administer aspirin 160 to 325 mg chab. After recording the initial 12 lead ECG, place the patient on a cardiac monitor and obtain serial ECG. Give oxygen by nasal cannula. पेशेंट को नेज़ल कैनुला के द्वारा ऑक्सीजन प्रोवाइड करवाएंगे. एस्प्रिन 160 या 325 mg देंगे उसको. देन नेक्स्ट, सिस्टोलिक ब्लड प्रेशर इज़ लेस देन 90 mmHg or then heart rate is less than 50 or greater than 100 beats per minute. Provide adequate analgesia with morphine sulfate. Provide adequate analgesia with morphine sulfate. Thrombolytic therapy. Thrombolytic drugs less coronary thrombi by converting plasminogen to plasmin. Thrombolytic therapy provides maximal benefit if given within the first 3 hours after the onset of symptom. Significant benefit still occurs if therapy is given up to 12 hours after onset of symptom. Contraindication क्या क्या है इसकी? Previous hemorrhage, stroke at any time, other stroke or cerebrovascular event within 1 year. Next, known intracranial neoplasm. Active internal bleeding does not include menses. Suspected aortic dissections. Severe uncontrolled hypertension or presentation blood pressure 180 mg 100 mmHg. History of prior cerebrovascular accident or no intracerebral disease not covered in intracontraindications. Correct use of anticoagulants in therapeutic doses. International normalized ratio. Recent trauma within 2 to 4 weeks including head trauma or traumatic or prolonged 10-minute cardiopulmonary resuscitation, CPR or major surgery 3 weeks. Necrocompressible vascular punctures. Recent within 2 to 4 weeks internal bleeding. 4. Streptokinase anti-trapselase prior exposure. Pregnancy, active peptic ulcer, history of chronic severe. Intensive and intermediate care management. Prophylactic arrhythmia. During the first 24 hours of hospitalization or not recommended. IV nitroglycerin is continued for 24 to 48 hours. Daily aspirin is continued on an indefinite basis. Clopidogrel may be used for patients who are intolerant of aspirin. IV beta blocker therapy should be administered within the initial hours of the involving infection, followed by oral therapy provided there are no contraindications. Beta blockers are one of the few pharmacological agents that have been shown to reduce morbidity and mortality in the patient with an MI. Next, the reduce oxygen demand by decreasing the heart rate and contractility. They also increase coronary artery falling by prolonged diastole. Nursing management. Balancing of myocardial oxygen supply as per demand. Medication as administration as per order. Continuous monitoring of cardiac function. Continuous ECG monitoring. Hemodynamic monitoring. Monitoring and recording input and output. Provide emotional support, nutritional support, bed rest for couple of days. Reduce stress factors. Provide health education. Assess the patient level of pain, location, duration, prevention of the complications. Administer drug therapy as ordered by healthcare provider. Report the diagnosis to the local health department. Keep patient in negative pressure room with respiratory airborne isolation. Maintain isolation until 3 consecutive sputum cultures have tested negative. Focus on preventing the spread of the infection. Discuss pain management, handling fatigue, importance of good nutrition. Assess the vital sign. Admission injection morphine sulfate to relieve pain. Okay. Place client in semi-forward position to increase comfort and oxygenation of to myocardial. If BP is lower than 100 mmHg of Hg systolic or 25 mm of Hg lower than previous reading, lower the head of the bed and inform the physician. Administer thrombolytic agent, example streptokinase, urokinase, tissue plasmic activator. Immediate treatment of myocardial infarction. Morphine, oxygen, nitroglycerin, aspirin, thrombolytics, anticoagulant, stool softeners, sedatives. ओके देन इसके अलावा थेरेप्यूटिक मैनेजमेंट में PTCA, परक्यूटेनियस ट्रांसटूमिडेंट कोरोनरी एंजियोप्लास्टी, इसमें फीमोरल आर्टरी के द्वारा बलून कैथेटर को ब्लोकेज आर्टरी तक ले जाते हैं तथा बलून को ओपन करके वहाँ भी ब्लोकेज आर्टरी को ओपन किया जाता है। देन कोरोनरी आर्टरी स्टेंट, कोरोनरी आर्टरी बंद न हो इस रिस्क को कम करने के लिए ब्लॉक्ड साइट पर एक मेटल का बना हुआ स्टेंट लगाते हैं। स्टेंट स्पेनिंग के समान होता है। कोरोनरी आर्टरी बाईपास CABG, इस प्रोसीजर में ऑब्स्ट्रक्टर कोरोनरी आर्टरी के शरीर को अन्य भागों से ब्लड वेसल्स लेकर बाईपास कर देते हैं। ब्लड वेसल्स लेते हैं